Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ke Sengi Baar Loong Bakal Sorkar Jong-u dalai rukan Shah Satya ke Jingti Uranium hapok ke Jylla Meghalaya kena ke Jingtho Jong-u kalami hadin bakawai ke Seng balak tip kum ke North East Sunshine Trust India kalatho ke Delhi ban stang biang ke projek ti Uranium ha Meghalaya Loong bakino ki Seng kila ban tho umla ban khang ye ki Seng bakin tho ke Sorkar India Henry kene kamut pat bakade ke Nongrim ban Ïeng ke Sorkar Jylla.
We've been very clear from day one. Number one is that organizations can write. I cannot stop an organization from writing to Government of India. But that does not mean that's the stand of the government. For us, we're very clear that without taking people into confidence, without looking at all the scientific aspects of things, we are not going to allow the uranium mining to take place in our state. We're very clear about that. It is regarding people's lives, it's regarding people's health, it's regarding the future of our state. While there may be concerns from individuals who may want this and other certain sections may want to move forward in this, it has to be addressed in a very, very careful manner. And as I said, we have to take people on board. We have to be very carefully studying the impact of these things. And till then, we have to ensure that no step is taken in that direction in any way, because as I said, this is regarding the lives of the people and the future of our people.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center